back to Cheat Days. Today we're going to be making a homemade version of the Taco Bell CrunchWrap. Except this time for us we're going to be using flank steak. We're going to season that up, put it on the grill. We have a nice mix of onions and peppers, some cheese, put it all together, make some nice wraps. So, you know, one of my favorite things to make, I don't usually eat steak, but we're going to go for it this weekend for the 4th of July, time period, and let's see what we can do. Okay, so now we have all the ingredients in. We're going to fold it. So you're going to take one side and then indent it on the side as you go, like that. And then you're going to continue to fold it around like this, kind of like an octagon. Keep folding the sides, and voila. Then you place it on the tray, and then we'll bake it.